Hi, so today we're going to talk about the Nuvo water treatment system for swimming pools. Nuvo is an ultraviolet treatment system that will sterilize pool water as it passes through this chamber. The chamber is included with the fittings that will allow you to mount the system to an above ground pool filter, right to the filter, or in the case of the in-ground system, within the pool plumbing itself around the pump. So we're going to work primarily with the above ground unit right here, and then we'll just talk a little bit about the in-ground as it comes up during the course of this presentation. So how does ultraviolet work with water treatment and water sterilization? It's pretty simple, really. You circulate the water using the existing pool pump, and you move the water through this chamber, and in this chamber there's a quart sleeve, which you can see in the inside there. The quart sleeve protects the bulb that is inserted into the chamber from the water as it moves through the chamber. So what happens when the water goes through there? What happens is pretty simple. As the water is pumped through the chamber, the bulb is on, and it's putting out ultraviolet light at a very specific wavelength. And as the water moves through this field inside the chamber, the water is sterilized. Now it's different than, say, chlorine, which is an oxidizer, or even ozone, which is an oxidizer. UV does not oxidize contaminants in the water. What it does is it sterilizes them by affecting their DNA in such a way that it can't reproduce. So algae, bacteria, and other contaminants in the water are neutralized so they cannot reproduce. So that's what happens inside the chamber. The in-ground system will handle pools up to 30,000 gallons, and the above-ground unit will handle pools up to 15,000 gallons. Real simple, very effective. So what is the overall effect on your water chemistry? It's very positive. There is no effect on pH, no effect on total alkalinity. It's a very, very good algicide. It's a terrific bactericide. And organic contaminants are so reduced that it allows what little bit of chlorine. You still need a microscopic amount of chlorine just to pick up and oxidize out what the sterilizer has neutralized. And by that I mean the normal chlorine content in a swimming pool runs between 2 and 4 parts per million. With a UV system, you have a very, very low chlorine environment of less than 1 part, somewhere around 1/2 part per million, which is really the quality of drinking water. In essence, Nuvo provides drinking quality water. UV is very well known throughout the country. Doctors use it to sterilize their instruments. Dentists use it. It's used widely to sterilize surgical instruments and drinking water in the third world. So that's our Nuvo system. This is from Solax in Delray Beach, Florida. We thank you for listening.